Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Now you are watching a 3-star property. In this property, 4 type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. To see more than 100 of reviews of this property, you can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 9.2. Checking time in this property is 2 p.m. Checkout time of this property is 12 p.m. If you have visited this property, please share your experience in the comment box. For booking or get more details about this property, please check the description. If you have any problem booking a room in this property, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. If you are new to the channel and not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel